Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sony VPL VW295ES. This is probably the best bang for your buck native 4K projector going into 2019. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. This projector is listed at $5,000 MSRP. We can get you guys a deal on this if you purchase the theater room through us, a complete package. And keep in mind, we do have free shipping nationwide, and we have a low price guarantee. So if you would like to purchase this item, just give us a call or shoot us an email. So first thing we have in here is the remote, and the batteries are included. All right, and we have a power cord. And the projector. Warranty. All products are brand new. We do not sell anything used or opened. All right, let's see this beauty. Make sure to subscribe down below, guys. I'm going to be unboxing later this week the Sony 695 as well. And I'm going to be doing both of these on a Black Diamond Screen Innovation zero edge screen, so you can see the differences between the two. So that's everything in the box. This is your projector. This thing is a beast. You have a nice protector there to make sure the lens doesn't get damaged in shipping. And then that's your lens cover, which I'm going to leave on for right now, but I just wanted to show you that. Looks like we have some hard buttons here on the side. You have your power input menu, as well as your toggles, left, right, up, down, and then lens. Your power port back here, right here. HDMI ports are on this side. So I believe inside of here is where we change the bulb, should you need to. I'll check the manual later. If you look here on the side, we have our LAN port for firmware updates, IP control, and then we have HDMI 1 and 2, a trigger, IRM, remote, RS-232, and then a USB. All right. IR sensor on the front. And IR sensor on the back. Alright guys, well that is the unboxing of the Sony 295. Keep in mind, you're going to need a mount. We really like this strong fine adjust projector mount, especially for zero edge setups, because it has those gears in there where you can get your calibration just perfect. And in addition to that, a lot of times you need the coupler and an extension pole to bring it down to the correct height. Like in this situation, there's a ceiling fan, so we're going to be dropping it down below that. We do sell all of these products, and we have a low price guarantee. If you guys would like to purchase this item, give us a call or shoot us an email. And if you live in the Dallas area, we can also do the installation for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.